This is the Hurricane Turning Tools Cryocut half-inch bowl gouge, model number HTT-501. Discover the perfect combination of quality and affordability with Hurricane Cryocut wood turning tools. Each tool is made from cryogenically treated M2 high-speed steel, increasing wear resistance by up to 3 times while still maintaining the superior sharpness properties of M2 steel. This enables you to spend more time turning and less time sharpening. Each HTT 501 bowl gouge features a 3/8 inch flute with a 1/2 inch bar stock and 6 inches of total usable flute length. The solid beach handle is 14.5 inches long, providing you balance and control while maintaining maximum comfort. The Hurricane Cryocut 1/2 inch bowl gouge is ideal for both beginners and experienced wood turners alike. Whether you're working on intricate details or shaping substantial projects, let Hurricane Cryocut wood turning tools help you achieve perfect results every time.